Can you recognize it? Yes, it's an hijab which is actually worn by the Muslim community. But due to hijab, there has been the biggest controversial topic in today's time. And from the past 7 to 8 months, this hijab controversy has been going on. Even yesterday only, the 2-judge bench in Supreme Court can't solve this topic, and this topic will be going forward. So in this video, we all be covering what is hijab controversy, how it started, the current scenario, what are the arguments that are made by the Karnataka government as well from judges of the Supreme Court. What's the way forward about the hijab controversy? It will be in depthly explained in this video. Hey guys, what's up? This is UKP Explains. But before you move forward, make sure to hit subscribe and press the bell icon so therefore you never miss out new videos from our side. Now over to our today's discussion. On 1st January 2022, 6 girls were asked not to enter school. They were barred from the school for wearing the hijab, and with that regard they started doing the protest, and soon it became the topic from media coverage and even the press conference commenced. This topic went to the Karnataka High Court, where multiple petitioner came, filed a case and said that it has been a controversial topic, and due to this our students are not allowed to enter the school and even get their studies. Petitioner asked the Karnataka High Court and the government that the hijab is a part of the Muslim religion. Talking about the government in Karnataka, the BJP government is in power. When this topic became a lot sensitive, it went to the High Court, where the sittings took place under the Article 1983. Karnataka Education Act says that wearing of hijab is not permitted in the schools. Yes, it is not an integral part of an Muslim religion outwear. Karnataka High Court made a judgment that as far as the Education Act 1983 and the constitutional remedies are concerned, hijab is not a mandatory part of a Muslim religion outwear. So therefore, it should not be allowed to wear hijab in the school premises. And it doesn't stop here. The petitioners were a lot dissatisfied and were a lot aggressive with the decision of the Karnataka High Court. Therefore, they took this topic to the Supreme Court, where after months the sitting took place with the 2 judges. First judge was Hemant, second judge was Sudhanshu, where these 2 judges bench were made for taking the decision over this hijab controversial topic. Arguments that were made in Supreme Court that hijab is not a mandatory part of a Muslim outwear under the Education Act of 1983. Karnataka says, and the constitution also says that the school uniform and dress code should be followed sincerely and positively. Beyond one, the arguments that were made from the petitioner side that the barring of students from the schools will actually result in the illiteracy of these students, as the parents will not send their students to schools for studying. And some arguments were also made that the PFI, Popular Front of India, is actually promoting this and Muslim-Hindu wars are actually being initiated. But at last, the Supreme Court, Hemant Gupta, said that I agree totally with the Karnataka's High Court decision of not allowing wearing of hijab in the school premises, and it's my final decision. But Judge Sudhanshu made a different statement that hijab should not be the topic. We should focus on making students more educated, because due to this hijab, students are losing the right of their education. So therefore, this topic, even when 2-judge bench has been made in Supreme Court, this decision has not been finalized. That's why with that regard, now this topic has been shifted with the Chief Justice of India, UU Lalit, where he will be now making 5 constitutional judges bench, where they all be taking a proper decision whether the hijab should be allowed to wear in school premises or not, or it should be barred, as wearing of hijab only prohibited only in school premises. Outside in public places, people are having freedom, whatever they want to wear. It's not any problem. So let's see how the Chief Justice UU Lalit decides with the 5 constitutional judges bench, and in which direction this hijab topic actually takes place. And millions of people will be eagerly waiting for this decision, which will be sooner made by the Supreme Court. What are your perspective about this hijab controversial issue? Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. That's a wrap on today's edition of UKP Explains. Also, do check out our videos and playlists that we have made on national international affairs. Do like, comment and share this video with your friends and family members, and subscribe for more amazing informative videos. That's you signing off, and I hope to see you in my next one. Take care, guys.